Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Apple iPad. So you have to start by opening your App Store and then click on search bar and type in Edge. And click search. And now you can click on this icon to download your app. Now you can click open. And here you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click not now. And here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.